And then if you tell me I go reply said that boy, person will be say I already leave behind. Me, I not they live my life. Me and a stage after they live life. They get what they master to me. They important to me at every stage of my life.
Ghen Ghen, your stupid mentality. I'm not our boyfriend against us. Leave ladies alone. Leave us alone. I can't even have a story of his steals again. I can't drive against guy again.
Ghen Ghen wahala don burst again oh my people. You remember that lady wey dem don dey drag left and right center? Dem don repack her life like pure water wey don burst. Na so our Ghen Ghen guy wey dey always drug gbas for Instagram come decide say he go open online university wey go dey teach dem street survival and how dem go shine for dis life. As e drop am, streaming blow everywhere like fire for harmattan. But as usual, backlash no dey far. Haters don begin roll like trailer wey no get break. But lis ten well, as he reply dis lady, e give her wotowoto wey sweet im fans belle. My people, wetin una think? Drop am for comment make we talk am as e be. No forget say na talk am as e be channel na im be dey.
And then if you tell me I go reply said that boy, person will be say I already leave behind. Me, I not they live my life. Me and a stage after they live life. They get what they master to me. They important to me at every stage of my life. At this stage of my life, not be said that boy my problem, not be she my concern. I don't defeat one. You just be like say you see me person go repeat primary 3. Person will do the primary 5. You see me go repeat primary 3 for what purpose? To go and do what? Life na sharp time. When I understand all these things, that phase of my life don't go. That my Sadaboj. And that's so when I drop na evergreen. Go club every day Sadaboj. You not getting it to where Sadaboj won't bring. We will counter Sadaboj. How? I mean, if I need to understand, see me, I know they see that girl as me. I like her. Maybe I'm in love with you. Sadaboj, you're my love. Now my love she be. Person will be so that gets oh yeah. Tutuna don't make millions. Now that gets to that get man. I know they fight because say I fight. I be financial expert. That guy when they smart, I go drop one socks and I so that every time when I go club they perform the socks they spray me money now to start they make the money. Person what to do they generate millions for me now wants as my enemy. That get oh yeah they inside that I also never make me. So that boy not really bad. The women of one they think oh as that make me get oh yeah money to generate millions. She's my love. You know, so when she posts the song, I repost the song for her. I help her repost the song because she still get career. I dey pity her say, you know, people love me well, and I be the only person who be say, as I dey like this, you know, say normally, even as Davido dey, if they don't go club, if they don't carry them come event before, like maybe they don't carry them come this kind of place now.
Ghen Ghen, your stupid mentality. I'm not our boyfriend against us. Leave ladies alone. Leave us alone. I can't even have a story of his steals again. I can't drive against guy again. My way alone. Since 3 years, they not giving 2,500 naira. He's not giving me 2,500 naira again because of your stupid lecture. Oh, because of your lecture. Oh, because of your lecture, Ghen Ghen. This is not fair. This is not fair.